So I'm running a bit late right now. I'm supposed to be out already, and yes, I have a shoot. It's an engagement party, and it's gonna be around. Nag-English naman sa ko. Kalimot man ko. Sige lang, English na ta. Sige na tayo. Kalimot ko ba? Wala lang ko vlog lately sa akong English. Mag-English na sa ko kay kumusigi sa Bisaya sad makalimot sa kag story Bisaya. Alam dila. Pinawag ka ng padungkog ka ng city karon kay naa na sa koy kanang event shoot karon kanang engagement party, which is kanang ma-engaged ka ba nana. So it's around 5 hours shoot from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. today. Muna siya niya ang biyahe padungan to is around 40 minutes, and I'm running late. Mag-toll ko $10 paksit akong $10 da. Okay ra. Yeah, muna siya niya. Kabot pag ako late ko mga 8 minutes. So akong nang i-try lower, mo overspeed ko gamay. Ay, magsaba ha. Ay, magsumong police pero mag-overspeed ko gamay. Anyway, ato sa wala na yellow nga kanang jeep ra sa kuha. Ato sa tay. Kapo you guys ron, pero it is what it is. Stuck in the traffic light. So, muna siya. 11 pa ako to bay. Gutom ako. Pwede ko ikaon nun. Yatay. Gutom. Yeah. Drives like these. It's so good.
For being here and for celebrating with us, and especially to our friends who are taking time off for tomorrow.
Hi guys. Then you get 1 point. If your answers doesn't match, sorry. Okay. So with this one, you're gonna be leg strap, ball. And whoever reaches, gonna walk. 2 to go, Kwa and Gel. So whoever reaches first will be the winner. Ready, set, go!
So done with the event for today. It's supposed to end at 11, but I finished early. I'm just gonna give her my pay ID, and that should be done. So I'm back here, walking in the same spot. Nag-English sa ko. Manasa ko sa akong shoot karon ba nag-English inside ko. So palab na ko sa akong auto. Akong auto na sa doon na parking. I hope wala charge at door sa. But either way, we're done. Tomorrow's Monday. Fucking stress again. So, mag-ilan ako sa doon nakapark. We're good. Let's go home. Yeah, we're done. Suddenly there's very bad rain. Lakatlang bye.
Something new under the sun.